It's me again, Arnold. In this video, I'm going to show you how I configured Fusion 360 to take advantage of the cloud libraries. Since I use both Windows 10 and macOS versions of Fusion 360, I would like all these post-processors and tools accessible from a single location, which is the cloud. In order for me to do that, I can go to the Preferences, and under General Manufacture, we'll see here that there's a checkbox beside Enable Cloud Libraries. This will allow me to use the Fusion 360 Cloud to store the different processors and tools for both my macOS and Windows 10 versions of Fusion 360. If your Fusion 360 does not have a checkbox beside Enable Cloud Libraries, click it once, click Apply, and then OK. Now, in order for us to store or upload post-processors and tools in the cloud libraries, you can go to the Data panel, and then under Assets, you'll see that there are two folders called CamPosts and CamTools that will be important for us. CamPosts, the folder that will contain the different post-processors. As you can see, the SnapMaker post-processor is already in here, as well as a Gerbil and a DXF post-processor. If you don't have the SnapMaker post-processor yet, click Upload, select Files, and under your download libraries, you can find the SnapMaker folder. And you'll see here the SnapMaker CPS, or the post processor. Click Open and you'll be able to upload it. I'm not going to do that because I already have my post processor in there. Next, we go back to Assets and open CamTools. I already have several tools library here. Amana came from Amana, which is very nice of them to provide us with a tool library for most of their tools. This one is for the SnapMaker. There are two versions for the SnapMaker. One is for the original and one is for SnapMaker 2. If you have not uploaded any of them yet for your specific version of SnapMaker, hit Upload, select Files, and again, go to the SnapMaker folder containing the tools library. In this example, I'm going to upload the original SnapMaker CNC tools library because I already have the SnapMaker 2 version of it. So I'll click Open and click Upload, and it will now be uploaded, as you can see. I also bought third-party bits from a company called Bobowaldo from AliExpress, and I have created their own tools library here together with another third-party vendor called Ideal here. This one is for the 4mm and 6mm flat end mills that I use for a clearing pass. Now, how do we use them? Let's just say, for example, I would like to create the .nc or the .cnc file for the SnapMaker. So I'll have to do a post process. And you can see here that under Source, it's called My Cloud Posts. Okay, this will appear only when you enable the cloud library support. So if you don't see My Cloud Posts, then that means you have not enabled it in Fusion 360, so you go back to Preferences to enable it. And from there, you'll be able to see the different post processors that I've shown you earlier, including the AutoCAD, Gerbil, and of course the SnapMaker post processor. So select this post processor for SnapMaker and you're done. put in whatever file name you like and then click OK, and you'll be able to send it to a CNC file so that you can now send it over to Luban, right? So that's it, and I hope that you find this video useful.